guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing this look that you see right here. We're going to be working on lids that are small and that are mostly hooded and downturned eyes, and I'm just going to explain to you how I do my makeup to make my eyes look a little bit bigger, wider, and just to make the eye makeup look better on my aging eyes. So if you want to see how I got this look, then just keep watching. Alright you guys, so let's get started with this hooded eye tutorial. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to prime my eyes with the 24-hour Shadow Insurance, and this is by Too Faced. This is a new primer for me, and I've used it a couple times already, and as you can see I just kind of dabbed it in between my fingers and putting it on the eyelid, all over the eyelid, and it seems to be working pretty good. So it's supposed to be 24-hour anti-crease eyeshadow primer, so it's supposed to help your eye makeup not crease. So that's the first step. We're going to be working out of the Tartelette and Bloom palette, and you can work out of any palette or any like quad or whatever palette that you would like. And basically you have to have a shimmer, and then if you don't want to use a shimmer, because we're going to use shimmer on the movable lid, you can use like a light color like this, which is called Flower Child, where it's like a creamy pinky kind of color. Or even if you wanted to, you could put maybe Charmer, which is white. But what I recommend to make your eyelid stick out is to use a color with some shimmer. So yeah, all right, so let's get started. So I'm going to use my Sigma shading brush, and I am going to go into, we're going to keep it light today because, yeah. So I'm going to use this one, and it's called Funny Girl, and I'm going to pick up the product, and I'm going to work on my left eye. So, and then we're just going to pack this color on. Okay. I'm going to pick up some more product. I just want to make sure that this is going to stick out. Okay, that looks good. Okay, and if you have your makeup and you're doing this with me, you can stop it and then do the same thing to the other eye. Otherwise, just keep watching. Okay, now that you have your shimmery color on your movable lids, we're gonna go to our crease now. I'm gonna pick up my MAC 217, and this is a crease brush. It's kind of old, but it's hanging in there. And I am going to use Sweetheart in my crease. And now it's a nice pinky shade. You can see that there. And we're just gonna put that right here in the crease and out. Now this is going to be not a dramatic look. You're just looking to make your eyes stand out. You can always clean that up to make it look like it's going more up, but you never want to go down, because then that's going to bring your eye down. So you always want to go over and out. All right, and we're gonna do the same thing to the other eye. Okay, now we're gonna go a little bit darker. I don't wanna make this super dramatic because I still want, you know, your eyelids to pop. So I'm gonna take the very next color right next to it here. Tarte is really good about putting colors in a row that you can use all in one eye look, but that doesn't mean that you can't mix and match and go around. A lot of times I'll do this or I'll go here, here, and here. But for today we're gonna use the color Rebel, and I'm just gonna take this Luxie 231 brush, and I'm gonna start. I'm not gonna put a lot of this on the lid because I want my lid mostly to look bright. So I'm gonna put this, I'm gonna pat this in the corner like this. So you can see it looks like a line. And a little bit in the crease there. And then we're gonna blend this out. And if you lose some of that other color up there, we can always put some more. But for right now, we're working with Rebel. Whoops. I'm gonna grab my Sigma E40, the tapered blending brush. No product at all. And I'm just gonna blend that out. I'm going to pick up a little bit more Rebel, and I want it a little bit more intense. And I'm just going to go in with a little bit more of Sweetheart up here. See how I'm still moving out? And okay, now I'm gonna work on the other eye. All right, so for the inner corner, I'm going to use my Brow Gal pencil, and it's just a cream color here. So I'm just gonna put that right in the tear duct area, both eyes. We want our eyes nice and bright, and I'm going to use that same flat shader brush, and I'm just going to work that in right here. And you can also, you can also put some of this color in your waterline. Okay, make your eyes nice and bright. And then we are going to tight line. So you can use a brown or a gray or even a black, but I'm gonna use this by Urban Decay. It's called Corrupt. But just use whatever eyeliner that you want. I'm gonna sharpen it because it's a little bit dull, and you never want to use a dull eyeliner because you don't want it to tear your eye or poke you. Okay, so tight lining is just getting right here under your lash line and getting that color in there. So that's going to accentuate your lashes and make them look darker. So, and then I do it like all the way to the end. So it almost gives it kind of like a sharp edge. Don't poke yourself. Okay. So you can see there versus this other eye. Okay. I'm not going to tight line here. I'm going to use some shadow, which is softer. Okay, now that we've tight lined the top of both our eyes, we're going to put some shadow right underneath. So I showed the Sephora Veramona Color Switch, which I'm going to show you how it works. It's just this sponge here. And see, I've used this pencil brush. It's a Sigma E30. And so you just swirl your brush in here to take off the color of whatever brush that or whatever color you have on your brush. Swish it in there, and then you're ready to use your next color. It's not going to completely come off of this one because it's a white and I use dark colors, but you get the gist. What are we going to put underneath? So I think we're going to use Smarty Pants because it's kind of in the middle of these two colors. So we'll use Smarty Pants up here, or actually, I take that back. We're going to use Jet Setter. Yeah, up there. And give it another swirl. And Jet Setter. And with your pencil brush, just gonna kind of go up and feather that in there. All right. Okay. Now do that to the other eye. Okay. So now you could do one of two things. You can really curl your lashes. You don't want to put like a ton of mascara, because if you do a ton of mascara and your eyelashes look really thick, it's going to cover your eye makeup. And you don't want to cover your lids because you're trying to make them more visible. So you can do the eyelash curler, or you can put on some natural lashes. So let's do some mascara just for the sake of the tutorial. So having a good eyelash curler really helps to get them lashes up. And I'm going to use my Dior. You could use any mascara that you have and that you love. I would suggest you find a mascara that really works well with your lashes, because everyone's lashes are different and respond different to different mascaras. And if you have small lashes, I highly suggest a lash primer. Highly, highly. And one other tip, like when you're doing your mascara, I would like pull them out to the side, this and out, to help them kind of fan out this way and elongate your eyes as well to make them look a little bit cat eye. That's just another trick for downturned eyes. All right, I'm gonna finish the rest of my makeup and I'll be right back. All right, you guys, so this is the final look. I hope that this was helpful. I hope you notice that you can see when you have a lighter color and something shimmery, you can see more of your eyelids, depending on how you do your lashes. And tight lining helps, and putting something in the whites of your eyes all come together to make a really nice look so that your eyes don't look as hooded and small. So let me know if you like this tutorial, give it a thumbs up. Let me know if there's something else that you would like to see. Otherwise, I will catch you in my next video. Bye guys.